Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make shoes more grippy. These will be easy instructions and step-by-step instructions to be more specific, so let's get right into the video. So essentially, how to make shoes more grippy, easy instructions in a step-by-step tutorial. Let's get into this. There are 4 things that I'm going to outline that will allow you to make shoes more grippy. Now these shoes, luckily for me, are super grippy. They have really grippy soles. However, I've had shoes in the past that literally I'm like skating on ice, okay? They were so non-grip, it was unbelievable. And I used basically all 4 of these methods to sort of help me out and turn them into grippy shoes. Now, obviously, if they're cheaper shoes, you can just, who cares? Like, just get rid of them or just wear them for a bit and get rid of them. Wear them when they're not going to be slippery, on like dry days where the road is dry, and then get rid of them. But if you have like more expensive shoes or shoes that you care about, you're going to want to use these methods. Let's get into this quickly. So we're going to go through these rather quickly, take notes, try them out at home, and yeah, let's get into this. Number 1, the first method for making your shoes more grippy is to scuff up the soles of your shoes with sandpaper. So literally, you can go onto the soles of your shoes and just get sandpaper and scuff them up. And when you get sandpaper and scuff them up just a little bit, not a lot, and you don't want to use like 20 grit sandpaper. Use like 100 grit or 120 grit, something fine that's just going to scuff them up ever so slightly. You don't want them to be rough, just scuffed. Okay, that was almost a rhyme. You don't want them to be rough. You just want to scuff them up. Okay, so anyways, essentially that's going to scuff up and rough up, rhyming all the time, and that's going to scuff up and rough up the shoes, okay, which is going to get rid of your non-grippy blues. Okay, so okay, I gotta stop. It's going to help you out. Very simple. Moving on to number 2. I'm going to stop rhyming at this point. Clean the dirt off of the soles of your shoes before you leave the house. Now this obviously, is going to make your shoes cleaner, but here's the thing. Dirt on the shoes, on the sole of a shoe, okay, and sorry, before I go over this one, I want to say for number 1, I want to clarify. Scuff them up only a little bit. You don't want to sand them down. We're not trying to decrease the amount of sole here. We're just trying to scuff up the sole that is there, okay? Just so it's clear. You're not trying to sort of sand them down, just rough them up. So just like, honestly, that's it for each section. That's all you need, okay? Anyways, number 2, clean the dirt off of the sole of the shoe. When dirt gets wet, it turns to mud. What happens when you have mud on the bottom of your shoes? They're slippery. So literally by cleaning the sole of your shoe, whatever grip is there is going to be more effective. So if there's dirt underneath your shoe, and by that I mean literally dirt, not like dirt like on the side of the road, like dirt that you just find on the road, like little grime or something that people littered. I mean literally like legitimately soil. If there's soil on your shoe and it's wet outside, they will be slippery. Clean them off, and it's going to work wonders for giving you grip with the sole that's already there. You're going to have more grip from that pre-existing sole that is already there, okay? If that doesn't help you out, move on to number 3, which is to spray the sole of the shoe with traction spray or grip spray. Now I got this a long time ago. I don't have any more left, or else I'd use it for the video. But essentially you can get some grip spray or traction spray, and you can just literally spray it on the sole of the shoe. Mask off the rest of the shoe, spray it on the sole of the shoe. It's going to give it a little bit of a texture, which will give you more grip along the entire sole. And the last thing that you're going to try is number 4, which is to get grip pads. And grip pads are literally, it's almost like sandpaper, like not even sandpaper, but like skateboard grip tape. I used to be a skater boy when I was younger. I used to be a skateboarder, believe it or not, for many years. I'm going to do skateboard videos in the future, so stay tuned for those, and subscribe if you want to see my skateboard trick tutorials for how to ollie and stuff like that. So stay tuned. But anyways, it's like grip tape on a skateboard, but essentially one side of the grip of the grip pad is like grip tape, and the other side is adhesive. So basically, you peel off the adhesive protector, you stick them right on here, and then you have almost like a grip tape underneath. Now, obviously, the only thing with that is that it runs a little bit of a risk of, like, if you walk on hardwood floors with the grip under there, it might scuff them up. So there is a downside to that, and you got to be extra careful with where you wear them. But yeah, that's essentially it. Those are the 4 methods for how to make shoes more grippy. Easy instructions, step-by-step tutorial. Obviously, use all 4 in conjunction with each other, or some of them in conjunction with each other for the best results, or just choose one and you're still going to get some good results as well. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.